What up guys, DJ Y is back again with another episode. In today's video I want to show you legendary Ricky Rose linked up with Jamie and Foxx in club and making some crazy party. Check this out.
Who's your favorite rapper of all time?
My favorite rapper of all time is Jay-Z, man.
Jay-Z. Shout out to Hope.
Hope all day. Hip-hop album? Yeah. He's a new doubt. My new album is going to be called Mitch Mitch Underground Overground. That's the name of the new album coming out soon. G-Sizzle's the name, but Mitch Mitch is the new artist coming out of G-Sizzle. You heard? Harlem all day. Much love to YTV. Check out Sky Team on Reverb Nation, SoundCloud Mr. Ohms, G-Sizzle on YouTube. Battles, win and lose some, you don't win everything, you understand what I'm saying? 2023, at the end of the year, is a different situation for the boy, alright?
Thank you, brother.
I heard much love. Much love to YTV, man.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTV. Just keep it going.